My name is Kobi and I am a veterinarian student. And here in this bird hospital, when I was 4 years old, I decided that I will become a veterinarian. Because I really like animals and I want to help them. So this hospital, for me, it's really important because I can help these injured birds. Every summer and when I have a free time, I spend my days in the hospital. I usually take part in the operations. There is nothing to do in the operating room. I feed the birds, change their water or clean their rooms. I really like to be here, not just because of the birds, but workers too. They are very friendly, helpful and kind, so I have a lot of friends here. It's a great team, so I like working with them. For me, animals are the best things in the world, so I'm very happy when I can help them.